You know, I said that I was going to show you a magic trick. I was lying. What I've actually got is another puzzle box for you. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what is that moving? But what you have done is you've covered like something around the inside, pulling in until it stops.
What does Mr. Puzzle do then when he can't see anything or anything moving? I'll give you a clue, Griffin. Looking in the drawer isn't going to get you anywhere.
Looking under the drawer, maybe. This is a screw in there, because that's pushing it, stopping it from going when there's a hole in it, sticking through, holding it.
Something like that.
I think that's basically. That's what I asked for. That's what I wanted.
But you also said it had to have what, Griffin?
Like something to pull it out.
Yeah, you said you wanted a key or something, didn't you? Find the key. Okay, has anything come out yet?
Oh. Would there be a hole? Maybe if I actually stick this in. Ah!
Have you lost the key?
Wait, I got it. Have to turn it out upside down so there's an actual gap.
Is that where it came from?
Yeah. There was lots.
Oh no! You've opened it the wrong way! You've opened it the wrong way! Bah! Give me the key. Give me the key. Give me the key. I think you banging it around has knocked these out of the way. Now try and open it. I'll tell you what I did, shall I? These bits here move side to side, look. And each one of them has got a hook in there and in there.
Yeah.
And slide that in. You see with these little pegs on there. And they slide in. It closes up. And then we get the key. And then you put the key in. And you move those little things side to side.
So that's okay. So we're going to put it upside down. It'll be on this side. Okay, I'll just go.
Have you got it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we tap it down like that, and then we tap it down like that, and then you have a box, which when you move it around,
You hear it, but
you can't hear. You can hear the drawer moving a little bit, but you can't hear the key, and you can't see the catches, and it looks exactly like a normal box.
The noise was the key.
No, it's just the drawer moving a little bit. Is it now?
So it's down like that.
Yeah. No. Here, look, Griffin. The back there is thinner than the back there, the front there. So it's a tight, snug fit around the front, but there's quite a bit of room at the back, back here, and underneath it, and at the side for the key. So, right, sit down. Sit down. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, rating, review, whatever you do.
A 5 out of a 5.
5 out of 5. Do you like that one?
No. In liking it, it would be a 5 out of 5. But how actually hard it is, a 5. Yeah, it will still be a 5 out of 5.
Okay, so what about Daddy making it for you? You wanted one that you had to bang around, one that looked just like a box, and one with a key. Did I make that?
Yes, put it together.
Cool.
Goodbye, and don't forget to put the comments down below, and don't forget to, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up.
Cool, let's go.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I really like. Oh, so when you open it, it goes like this. So
Yeah, when you open it goes out, and that means
That's why.
Yeah. There we go. Well done, Griffin. High five. get your barcode. That's 5k done.